love, it's your girl Naomi. So first I'm going to start off with my LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. You can use any type of concealer really. If you have eyelid primer, then go ahead and use that as well. I don't, so I'm using regular concealer. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelids just so it could be like a blank canvas, and that way it'll be a lot easier for me to blend my eyeshadows. I'm taking a regular eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend that concealer in. Now I'm just taking my Airspun setting powder and I'm just going to set my eyes just so that way the concealer doesn't crease. So I'm just dusting away all the setting powder off my eyelids. And then after that, I'm just going to take my black Radiance contour kit, the sculpting shade, and I'm just going to use that as a transition color for my eyelids. So I went right back into that palette and I'm using the contour shade, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to use that like in the outer part of my eyelid. You guys see what I'm doing, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with my Coastal Scents 28 Neutral palette, and I'm going to be using like this taupe brown color, tannish color. I don't know the exact color, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to put that like on my eyelid. I'm just going to blend that in with the other shades. So I'm taking the highlighter shade from the Black Radiance contour kit, and I'm also going to mix that in with the NYX London Value Set highlighter that comes in this set. And I'm just going to mix them together because I like the way it looks. And I'm going to pack that onto my eyelid. So I'm taking the Mario Badsecu spray and I'm going to spray down this detailed brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the highlighting shade from the Black Radiance palette and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. I think it's called your tear duct area, so I'm just going to put that in both of those areas just to give my eyes a pop of color. You guys already know I live for the highlighting shade in the Black Radiance contour palette. It is my favorite highlighter, so I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks to give me some glow. And I'm going to do that on the bridge of my nose, you know, give my nose some glow, and I'm going to put that on my upper lip. So I already added some lip gloss. Now I'm just adding some mascara to my eyelashes just to give it a little bit more volume so that way my eyes can pop. So this is pretty much all that I'm doing for this look. It's very subtle and it's a poppin' look in my opinion. It's beginner friendly. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace, love, and stay beautiful, guys.